Hello everyone, welcome to my class on MS Excel. In this class, I'll teach you how you can find the age of a person. So let's, for example, I want to find my age. So first here you have to put the starting date. For the starting date, I'll put my date of birth. Okay, so I'm born on 5th February 1986. So I'll put 5th February 1986. The ending date you can put as per today. So I'm using today formula. Okay, then in double quote, why you have to write if you want to find your age in years. Okay, then if I want 37, that is my age, 37 years. So you can use shift 7 ampersand function double quote space double quote shift 7. Then in double quote you can write years. This will give you your age in years. That's your answer. So if you write in double quote, if you write in double quote y, okay, if you write in double quote y, so this will give you your age in years. Okay, if you write in double quote m, okay, this will give you age in month. While if you write in double quote d, that will give you your age in days. I hope you got this part. So for the same formula, like I'm born on 5th February 1986, if I want to know like I'm in this earth for how many months, so I, in place of y, I can put m. Okay, and then in place of years, what I can do, I can write months. Okay, so if I do this, I'll get my age in months. Okay, so 446 month. Okay, same way, if you want your age in days, okay, maybe some 2 days is given to you. You want to know the difference, how many days over. So you can write in double quote d. And here, if I write days, so I get to know I'm in this earth for how many days. I hope you got this. Okay, so if you multiply this days into 3600, you will get in seconds all those calculation. I hope you are getting. Okay, now for example, if I put here the starting date, okay, the starting date, start date, okay, start date, I can put my start date. So my date of birth, the start date I can put as date of my birth. So that is equal to, let me just put the date formula, year 1986, 0205. Okay. So this will give me my starting date. Okay. Then you have to put end date. So for the end date, you can put any date. Like I want to know my age as per some day, maybe 5th, maybe 7th October 1970, 1981, something like that. You can put some date. Okay, you can put any ending date, anything. Okay, ending date. Okay, I can put ending date, anything. Okay, I can put date. Okay, year, maybe 1997. Okay, June 09, 9th June 1997. What was my age? So you can do like that. Okay, so ending date doesn't mean that you have to, it had to be today. Okay, for time being, let me use today formula. So this will give me today date. Okay, so you got to know the starting date, ending date. Okay, now by using the formula called, if you use double quote y, if you use double quote y, you will get your age in years. Okay, so you will get your age in year. So here you write date DIF. Okay, this would be your starting date, comma, this would be your ending date, comma, in double quote y, if you're using, then you will get your age in years. Okay, similarly, if you write double quote m, if you use double quote m, you'll get your age in months. Okay, the same logic. If I use control D, okay, if I use control D here, I'll put M, double quote M. This would be F10. This would be F9. Okay. So I'll get my age in months. Okay. And then if I want in days, the same thing in days, double quote D. So this will give me my age in days. Okay. Already I've discussed this part. Clear everyone? So if I just use this formula, okay, if I just use this formula, and in this formula, if I'm going to use this formula, in this formula, control 1, So if I use date DIF, bracket open, starting date F9, F9, then F10, ending date would be F10, and then in double quote D if you put, you'll get your age in days. Clear everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Okay, so now if I want to know my age as per today, what is my age in month, days, everything. So my age is not exactly 37 years. I hope you are getting this part. Okay, so my age is exactly not 37 days. It would be some month, some days. Okay, so if I use ampersand or concatenate function, I can exactly find my age. Okay, so I can find my age. I can write my age. I can write like this. So my age is, I can write by using concatenate or ampersand function, I can write my age. Okay, let me just increase the font. So my age is, okay, shift 7 double quote space double quote shift 7. Okay, so my age is, okay, so you can write 37. My age is 37 years. So you can write shift 7 double quote space double quote shift 7. My age is 37 years. Okay, then how many month? Shift 7. Okay, you can use the formula. Okay, you can just copy the formula. Here you can write otherwise. So date DIF. Okay, starting date. This would be starting date. Okay, this would be the ending date, comma. If you want that after 37 year, how many month? Okay, so you can write in double quote YM. So double quote YM if you are writing, that will give you like after 37 year how many month. So you can see the 37 year got over on 5th February 2023. Okay, after 5th February 2023, okay, then how many month got over? 2 month got over. So this will give me answer 2. I hope you got this. So double quote space double quote shift 7. So this will be months. Okay, so my age is 37 years. Okay, then 2 month. I hope you got this. Shift 7 double quote space double quote shift 7. Okay, if I copy the same formula, so my age is 37 year 2 month, and then how many days? So here I can write MD. Here I can write MD shift 7 double quote space double quote shift 7, and then you can write days. So this will give me my age. So my age is 37 year 2 month and 4 days. Okay, so if you see after 37 year, this space is not there. So I can go to F2, 37 years, 37 years, there's no space. So here you can put shift 7 double quote space double quote shift 7. So my age is 37 year 2 month and 4 days. So I hope you got this formula. So the starting date, you have first just put the starting date, then the ending date. Ending date can be anything. Okay, you can use today formula or control semicolon to find the today date. You can use control semicolon or you can use today formula. So this will give you today date. Okay, so you can use any of the formula, you will get the today date. If you are using the formula like after starting date and ending date, if you are writing double quote Y, it will give you your age in year. If you put double quote M, that will give you age in month. If you put double quote D, that will give you age in days. Okay, and then you can use something called MD, double quote MD. So double quote MD you can use, that will give you that after that many year, that many month, how many days got over. Or you can use double quote YM, so that will give you after that year how many month. So like you can understand for my example that my date of birth was 5th February 1986. Okay, so my 37 year got over on 5th February 2023. So after 2023, 5th February 2023, as per today, how many month got over? So that you will get by using YM formula under double quote YM. So once you got that 2 month, 5th February, so from 5th February to 1986 to 5th February 2023, 37 year, then 5th February 2023 to 5th February, 5th April 2023, 2 month. Okay, after that 2 month, like 2 month got over on 5th April 2023. After that, how many days? For that, you can use MD formula. So I hope all this is clear with all of you. Thank you, everyone.